Has the coil spring on your Husqvarna string trimmer become sprung? I'm going to show you how I found an easy way to rewind it. You can probably use this method on other recoil springs as well. So this recoil spring has become sprung. The project was to wind this spring and set it back into the spool. The coil pulled tight enough to fit snugly in the center of the spool. Firmly grasp the coil in the center with your thumb and forefinger. Start winding it up by stringing the end through your hand like this. You have to wind it as tight as you can get and keep feeding it around until it's a tight circle. Then you can hook the end on the little notch and press the coil into the spool. If you happen to have trouble gripping the coil, and it keeps springing apart on you, put on a work glove with a rubber grip on it, try it again, and you will have a remarkable grip on the coil. You have to make sure that the coil is pulled tight to make a considerably smaller diameter than the inside of the spool. Then you hook the end in the notch. And press the coil into the spool. Let it unwind a little to fit snug in the spool. You have to remove the handle from the pull cord and wind it tightly into the spool. Then string it through the hole before tying the handle back on. This may take more than one attempt. Once I got it all back together, it worked very well. I hope this video helps and saves you a lot of headache. Let me know by liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. Thank you.